Welcome. In this video, we will talk about page speed, one of the most critical technical SEO factors. A faster website not only ranks better on search engine, but also improves user experience and conversions. Let's understand why speed matters. Page speed refers to how quickly your web page loads after someone clicks on it. It includes everything from loading images and code to display text and interactivity. Google considers page speed a direct ranking factor. Slow websites lead to poor user experience, higher bounce rates, and less engagement, all of which hurt SEO performance. Google introduced core web vitals, performance metrics that focus on page speed and user experience. These includes loading time, interactivity, and visual stability. Let's be honest, no one likes waiting. A delay of even 1 second can drop conversion rates by 7%. If users bounce due to slow loading, Google sees your content as less useful. Use these free tools to analyze and improve your page speed. First one is Google PageSpeed Insights. Second one is GTMetrix. Third one is Lighthouse. Fourth one is Pingdom Tools. They will show you what is slowing your site down and how to fix it. Improving page speed does not require magic. Focus on compressing images, enabling browser caching, reducing server response time, and using fast loading. Remember, Google is mobile first. That means your mobile site speed is even more important than desktop. Optimize for mobile to keep your ranking safe. A case study by Google showed that when Vodafone improved their mobile speed by 31%, they saw an 8% increase in sales. Faster sites don't just rank better, they perform better. To summarize, page speed impacts SEO rankings, user experience, and your site's success. A fast website builds trust, reduce bounce rates, and keep users engaged. Thanks for watching. Now that you know how important speed is, run a test on your site and start optimizing. For more in-depth lessons on SEO, check out our full course linked below.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.